will be back in stock probably in the next week or so. Next one, this is Open Road. So it is a travel collection, Open Road. It has the color palette is a little bit more muted. Whoopsie, those aren't both supposed to be in there. A la carte items. Let's start out with the paper pad. 24 sheets, 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. Open that. Oh, that's cute. Travel magazine. A nice stripe, some butterflies, a sun. Follow the road wherever it may lead. A nice tone on tone map. Stripe, some flowers on a grid. Tags, plaid, another map. Some funky groovy flowers. Cut aparts. This collection is designed by Kelly Bangs. Really great map. So if you are familiar with Kelly's design style, that is kind of a dead giveaway. That's how you know it's Kelly. Kelly's very known for her beautiful kind of floral clusters. Really fun collection. And then you start over with the next 12. That is the paper pad. Then we go to the cardstock basics. Cardstock basics have 2 sheets again, map of the United States, a few icons, map of the world, and then some tags and tabs, labels, icons, so forth. Those are the basics, cardstock basics. And then you have the icons. Oopsie. The icons. Is that one not want to open? You guys are quiet on me. Everybody's super quiet. You're just watching. Cardstock stickers, icons for Open Road. There are 77 stickers, 2 6x12 sheets. Very icon heavy. Look how fun. No, bad, low, normal, good, max. Maybe that's a mood. Stack of suitcases, travel, a VW bug, a fun, clouds and sun, cactus, great borders, some word strips. Those are the icons, cardstock stickers. And then you have your 3 die cuts. You have bits and pieces, journal bits, and floral bits. So, oh, goodness. Oh, look it. Loves my Griffin Morse that she's multitasking. We just so happen to have another tray that's going to match for us here. Those are puzzle trays. Aren't those so cool? And they all stack together. Amy gave those to me. All right, so this is Open Road, the bits and pieces. Little camper, sun, highway motel, scooter, suitcases, scenic 66 motel, hotel motel, Holiday Inn, a tree, cactus motel. You are here, a little bear, cactus. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is my favorite. That RV that has a map in the front. Oh, I wish Harvey looked like that. National Park. Harvey's our RV. Let's go. Journey. Some signage here. Good times ahead. Camera. Oh, look how fun. Not fun. Fun, but not fun. There is a set here of orange cones, right? That I don't know about where you live, but where I live, anywhere it seems like these days, that's all summer is about the orange traffic cones, right? Lori said already have the best travel collection. What is that, Lori? Tell me what that is. A fun bear on the road again, some sunglasses, lots of fun things here. The mountains. I love those mountains. Okay, Lori, thank you. I didn't want to assume what you meant. Lori said, already have the best travel collection far and wide. Yes, far and wide is my Layle by Mail travel collection, which I'm partial to, right? But this is also super cute. The mountains love that kind of pattern. So those are the bits and pieces. Then we get the journal bits. The journal bits, the journal bit pack is 83 pieces. Lots of tags and labels and, little tiny icons and things like that. So those are fun labels, aren't they? Those big, big guys. Explore, horizons. Oh, these are fun. Look at those little numbers with the number connected to the label. Lots of funs there. Memory decks, cards, guest checks. So lots and lots and lots of pieces in that pack as well. And on all of those, if you go to my website and pull up the product, you will see that image so you can kind of get a feel for everything that's there. All righty, let's look at the floral bits. The floral bits, I'm just going to show you here. Lots of great, excuse me, little floral clusters. And again, that's what Kelly's known for. Her floral clusters are always just beautiful. So let's look at that guy. Like there's a great example of beautiful floral cluster. Different sizes, single flowers, clusters. All right, now let's look at the big bundle. If you love a collection like Open Road, then you might want to consider the big bundle because the big bundle includes everything in the collection. I don't bring in everything in the collection a la carte, but the big bundle gives you one of everything in the collection except for the stamps. And when you order the big bundle, then you get 15% off. So it kind of makes sense if you really love a collection. The things that I already showed you a la carte that are in the big bundle, the Open Road, the 6x8 paper pad, the journal bits, the floral bits, the bits and pieces, the basics cardstock stickers, and then also the icon cardstock stickers are part of the collection kit. All right. So the collection kit is going to have one each of all of the 12 by 12 papers, including the 1, 2, 3, 4 cut apart cards and those icon stickers. All right. So we just looked at smaller versions of most of those papers in the 6x8 pad. Then we have the foam stickers. Oh, that camera is so fun. I just love the foam stickers for working in on a 12 by 12 scrapbook page or spread or on mini book tag, something like that. Look at those little mile markers. Mile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mountains again. Mountains. I love those. You have the chipboard pieces. So your chipboard pieces are mostly going to be icons, but that are chipboard backed. So give you a little bit more dimension. There are 94 pieces in there. Really fun little numbers too. All those little number circles. Car key, the gas gauge. That is clever. The little gas gauge. That Kelly's so clever. And then you have the enamel dots, glossy enamel dots, 60 of those. And then the decorative brads, and the decorative brads are going to be your metal epoxy pieces. So epoxy in the center, metal around the outside, and they are self-adhesive. So kind of how the brads were in the old days, but you don't have to have the pesky prongs for those.